Let's learn ABC. A is for ant. B is for butterfly. C is for cat. D is for dog. E is for elephant. F is for flowers. G is for giraffe. H is for hedgehog. I is for ice cream. J is for juice. K is for kite. L is for lion. M is for monkey. N is for next. O is for octopus. P is for parrot. Q is for quail. R is for rose. S is for sun. T is for teapot. U is for umbrella. V is for violin. W is for watermelon. X is for xylophone. Y is for yak. Z is for zip. Numbers: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.